I'm sure you've heard the news. Nearly half of Americans are headed towards a retirement crisis. It's a startling reality that many of us are not prepared for the financial demands of our later years. The thought of not having enough money to sustain our current lifestyle can be daunting, but it's a situation that many find themselves in. That's right, almost 50% of us are not saving enough to maintain our current lifestyles in retirement. This means that a significant portion of the population may face financial hardships when they should be enjoying their golden years. The reasons for this are varied, from unexpected medical expenses to the rising cost of living, and even the simple fact that many of us underestimate how much we'll need. This is a scary statistic, but it doesn't have to be your story. With the right planning and knowledge, you can secure a comfortable and worry-free retirement. It's never too late to start, and every step you take now can make a significant difference in the future. Imagine being able to enjoy your retirement without the constant worry of financial instability. By understanding 3 crucial numbers, you can take control of your financial future and retire with confidence. These numbers are not just figures on a spreadsheet. They represent your future security and peace of mind. Knowing them can help you make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. These 3 numbers are the foundation of a solid retirement plan. They include your expected retirement expenses, your current savings, and your projected income during retirement. Each of these numbers plays a critical role in shaping your financial strategy and ensuring that you have enough to live comfortably. They help you answer critical questions. How much money will I need? This involves calculating your daily living expenses, healthcare costs, and any other potential expenditures. It's important to be realistic and thorough in this assessment to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Where will it come from? This question addresses your sources of income during retirement, such as Social Security, pensions, investments, and any other savings. Understanding where your money will come from helps you plan more effectively and ensures that you have a steady stream of income. Am I saving enough? This is perhaps the most crucial question. It requires you to evaluate your current savings and determine if they are sufficient to meet your future needs. If not, you may need to adjust your saving strategy or explore additional income sources. Knowing these numbers empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid financial stress in your golden years. By taking proactive steps now, you can ensure a secure and enjoyable retirement, free from financial worries. So, are you prepared for what's coming? Start planning today and take control of your financial future. Retirement planning might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach and a clear understanding of your financial goals, you can navigate this journey with confidence and ease. It's all about breaking down the process into manageable steps and focusing on the key elements that will ensure a secure and comfortable retirement. By focusing on these 3 key numbers, you can simplify the process and gain clarity about your financial future. These numbers are your retirement savings goal, your expected retirement income, and your current savings progress. Understanding these figures will provide you with a roadmap to follow and help you make informed decisions along the way. These numbers will help you determine how much you need to save, how much you can expect to receive from various income sources, and whether you are on track to meet your retirement goals. Let's break down each of these key numbers in more detail. First, your retirement savings goal. This is the total amount of money you need to accumulate by the time you retire. It takes into account your expected living expenses, healthcare costs, and any other financial obligations you may have. To calculate this number, consider your desired lifestyle in retirement and how long you expect to live. It's important to be realistic and factor in inflation and potential changes in your circumstances. Next, your expected retirement income. This includes all sources of income you anticipate receiving during retirement, such as Social Security benefits, pensions, annuities, and any other investments or savings. Understanding your expected income will help you determine if there are any gaps that need to be filled, and if you need to adjust your savings strategy accordingly. Finally, your current savings progress. This is a snapshot of where you stand today in terms of your retirement savings. It includes all your retirement accounts, investments, and any other assets you have earmarked for retirement. Regularly reviewing your progress will help you stay on track and make any necessary adjustments to your savings plan. These numbers are not static. They will change over time as your circumstances evolve. Life events, such as changes in employment, health issues, or unexpected expenses, can impact your retirement plan. That's why it's essential to revisit these numbers regularly and make adjustments as needed. Working with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you stay on course. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding these numbers is the first step towards securing your financial well-being in retirement. By taking the time to plan and regularly review your progress, you can enjoy peace of mind and look forward to a fulfilling and financially secure retirement. So start today, take control of your financial future, and make your retirement dreams a reality. Planning for retirement can be daunting. It's a journey filled with uncertainties and challenges that can often feel overwhelming. Many people find themselves unsure of where to start or how to navigate the complexities of financial planning for their golden years. We face numerous challenges, from unexpected expenses to market volatility. These obstacles can make it difficult to stay on track and achieve our retirement goals. It's important to recognize these challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. One of the biggest hurdles is simply saving enough. Many people underestimate how much they will need to maintain their desired lifestyle in retirement. It's crucial to start saving early and consistently to build a substantial nest egg. Life throws curveballs, a new roof, a child's education, or a sudden medical bill. These unexpected expenses can derail even the best laid plans. It's essential to have an emergency fund in place to cover these unforeseen costs without dipping into your retirement savings. Another obstacle is the uncertainty of future expenses. As we age, our needs and priorities may change, making it difficult to predict exactly how much money we'll need. This uncertainty can create anxiety and make it challenging to plan effectively. Inflation erodes the value of money over time. What seems like a substantial amount today may not be enough to cover your expenses in the future. It's important to factor in inflation when planning your retirement to ensure your savings maintain their purchasing power. Healthcare costs continue to rise. As we age, we are likely to face increased medical expenses, which can put a significant strain on our finances. Planning for these costs is crucial to avoid financial stress in retirement. It's difficult to predict exactly how much we'll need decades from now. The future is uncertain, and our financial needs may change over time. This unpredictability can make it challenging to create a comprehensive retirement plan. But don't let these challenges paralyze you. It's important to stay proactive and take control of your financial future. By educating yourself and seeking professional advice, you can develop a plan that addresses these uncertainties and sets you on the path to a secure retirement. By understanding the three crucial numbers, you can navigate these obstacles and stay on course for a comfortable retirement. These numbers include your retirement savings goal, your expected annual expenses, and the rate of return on your investments. By focusing on these key metrics, you can create a realistic and achievable plan for your future. Educate yourself about the different aspects of retirement planning. Attend seminars, read books, and consult with financial advisors to gain a deeper understanding of the strategies and tools available to you. Knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Set clear financial goals and create a budget to help you stay on track. Monitor your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. By staying disciplined and focused, you can ensure that you are consistently working towards your retirement objectives. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Recognize and reward yourself for the progress you make. This will help keep you motivated and committed to your long-term goals. Remember, retirement is not just about financial security. It's about enjoying the fruits of your labor and living a fulfilling life. By taking the necessary steps to plan and prepare, you can look forward to a retirement filled with joy, peace, and contentment. Don't let the challenges of retirement planning derail you. Stay focused, stay informed, and stay committed to your goals. With the right mindset and approach, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve the retirement of your dreams. Embrace the journey and take control of your financial future. The effort you put in today will pay off in the years to come, allowing you to enjoy a secure and fulfilling retirement. Stay positive and keep your eyes on the prize. Your retirement is a new chapter in your life, filled with opportunities and possibilities. By planning wisely and staying resilient, you can make the most of this exciting time. So don't let them derail you. Stay the course, and you'll find that the journey to a comfortable and happy retirement is well within your reach. Your future is bright, and with careful planning and perseverance, you can achieve the retirement you've always dreamed of. Keep moving forward, and don't let anything stand in your way. Remember, the key to a successful retirement is to stay informed, stay focused, and stay committed. With these principles in mind, you can navigate any challenge and enjoy a secure and fulfilling retirement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your financial journey.